The world of finance is changing. We are moving away from traditional systems. Digital currencies are becoming popular. Cryptocurrency and blockchain are at the forefront of this revolution. They offer exciting possibilities. These technologies are transforming how we think about money. They are also transforming how we think about data security. This essay will explore the basics of cryptocurrency and blockchain. We will learn what they are and how they work. We will examine their potential benefits and inherent risks. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of digital finance. Cryptocurrency is a form of digital money that exists solely in the digital realm. Unlike traditional currencies, it doesn't have a physical form. It is decentralized, meaning it is not controlled by any government or financial institution. This decentralization is a key feature that sets cryptocurrencies apart from traditional financial systems. Transactions occur directly between users, eliminating the need for intermediaries like banks. This peer-to-peer system allows for faster and often cheaper transactions. This is made possible through cryptography, a system of secure communication that ensures the integrity and security of transactions. Bitcoin, created in 2009, was the first cryptocurrency. It introduced the concept of a decentralized digital currency to the world. It remains the most well-known and widely recognized cryptocurrency, often referred to as digital gold. Bitcoin transactions are recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain. This ledger is maintained by a network of computers, ensuring that all transactions are transparent and immutable. This ensures transparency and security, making it difficult for any single entity to manipulate the system.
Other cryptocurrencies have emerged since Bitcoin's success, each offering unique features and improvements. Ethereum and Litecoin are two prominent examples. Ethereum is known for its smart contract functionality. Ethereum enables the creation of smart contracts and decentralized applications, allowing developers to build a wide range of applications on its platform. Litecoin offers faster transaction speeds than Bitcoin, making it a popular choice for everyday transactions.
Blockchain technology underpins cryptocurrencies, providing a secure and transparent way to manage digital transactions. It is essentially a distributed database, meaning that the data is not stored in a single location, but across multiple computers. This database securely stores information about transactions, ensuring that each transaction is encrypted and protected from unauthorized access. Imagine a digital ledger that is shared across a network of computers, where each participant has access to the same information. This network is composed of nodes, which are individual computers that work together to maintain the blockchain. Each node has a copy of the blockchain, ensuring that the data is decentralized and resilient to tampering. When a transaction occurs, it is broadcast to the network, allowing all nodes to see and verify the transaction. Nodes verify the transaction and add it to a block, which is a group of transactions that are processed together. These blocks are linked together chronologically, creating a continuous and unalterable record of all transactions. This forms a chain of blocks, hence the name blockchain, which highlights the interconnected nature of the data.
Miners are responsible for adding new blocks to the blockchain, playing a crucial role in maintaining the integrity of the system. They solve complex mathematical problems to validate transactions, ensuring that each transaction is legitimate and accurate. This process is called mining, which requires significant computational power and energy. Miners receive cryptocurrency as a reward for their efforts, incentivizing them to continue supporting the network and validating transactions.
Section 4. Advantages and risks of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Cryptocurrency and blockchain offer several advantages. Transactions are secure, transparent, and relatively fast. They are also resistant to censorship. This is because no single entity controls the network.
However, there are also risks associated with these technologies. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile. Their value can fluctuate dramatically. Scams and fraudulent schemes are also prevalent in the cryptocurrency space.
Investing in cryptocurrencies can be risky. It is important to conduct thorough research. Understand the technology and the specific cryptocurrency you are considering.
Section 5. The future of finance innovation and transformation. Cryptocurrency and blockchain are still relatively new technologies, but their impact is already being felt across the globe. They have the potential to revolutionize finance and other industries, creating new opportunities and challenges. As these technologies mature, we can expect to see wider adoption, transforming how we conduct transactions and manage assets. Governments and financial institutions are taking notice, recognizing the need to adapt to this digital shift. They are exploring the potential of blockchain for various applications, from secure voting systems to transparent supply chains. These include supply chain management and digital identity verification, ensuring authenticity and reducing fraud. The future of finance is digital, with seamless and secure transactions becoming the norm. Cryptocurrency and blockchain are leading the way, setting new standards for efficiency and security. Understanding these technologies is essential for anyone who wants to navigate the evolving landscape of money and data security, staying ahead in a rapidly changing world.